Pick up this great vehicle, which is available today. This could be the one you've been searching for. Contact the dealer today and get behind the wheel today. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, rear fog light, speed control, rear window defroster. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.